A few easy steps before, during and after using your brush will help you achieve impressive results and extend its lifespan. Before the first use, pre-wash filaments with the appropriate thinner for your coating. For water-based coatings, use water. For hybrid paints, please pay close attention to the coatings guidelines. For solvent-based coatings, use the coating manufacturer's recommendation. Comb to remove any debris or stray filaments. Remove excess to leave a damp state that will accept more paint. Avoid using water-based and solvent-based coatings with the same brush. After use, firstly, remove any excess paint. Wash filaments with the appropriate thinner. Work into the base of the filaments to remove all paint. Wooden handles are porous and can absorb water. Exposure to excess water may cause the handle to expand when wet and contract when dry, causing the brush head to become loose. So avoid using hot water and leaving to soak. Never clean using a citrus cleaner such as Virasol, and never clean using a washing machine, and never apply direct heat. For hybrid paints, please pay close attention to the coatings guidelines. Rinse thoroughly with clean water and remove excess with a clean towel. Now comb through to shape. Hang to dry naturally and away from direct heat. Once dry, place in a cover or bag and always store in a dry, dust-free place.